Okay, here's my toilet. I'm going to flush it so that you can see how long it takes to flush. And then I'm going to keep it recording so that you can see that the water keeps running. And then every once in a while, it sounds like it's flushing again, but I'm not flushing it. As you can see, the water in the bowl is still trickling down, and that's why I have those yellow stains, because I didn't have those there prior, but it's because the water is continually running over those areas. You can't see that very well in the other area, but that's why those stains are there, and I washed them and tried to get them off and everything. So here it goes. Okay, right now I'm just waiting for that other flushes that I get, that I put in one of the maintenance requests, I think last summer, where I said it sounded like there was a leak somewhere, but I couldn't show it, and it's just gradually gotten worse. So just hang tight here, and you'll be able to see. I'm just going to keep it running so you have an idea on the timeline. Um, Okay, so those extra flushes, or the sound of flushes, is what I was trying to show the maintenance guy. And sometimes they get really loud that while you're sitting in the living room, I've had friends come over and say that, and they've known that they were like, "What's that sound?" So, anyways, those are just smaller ones, but they can get pretty loud, like I was saying. And I was wondering if I could get that looked at. Because I just wanted to get that fixed, and then also not be be held responsible for those water stains that I can't get off because the water is continually running in my toilet bowl. All right. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.